In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset all settings on DuckDuckGo. If your DuckDuckGo browser starts feeling cluttered, unorganized, or you simply want a fresh start with your privacy and browsing data, resetting and cleaning up your settings can help restore a clean and consistent experience. DuckDuckGo includes built-in tools that allow you to manage and automatically clear your browsing data, giving you more control over your digital footprint. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to reset and refresh your browsing environment step by step. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you are on the main browser screen where you normally search and browse websites. This ensures you can easily access all the necessary controls without being inside a submenu or unrelated page. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the menu icon, often represented by three horizontal lines. This opens the main control panel of the browser where DuckDuckGo organizes its settings and privacy tools in one place. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the configuration area where you can manage how the browser behaves, including privacy options, appearance settings, and data management features. This section is essential when you want to reset or refresh your browsing environment. Inside the Settings menu, locate and open the Data Clearing section. This area is designed to help you manage your browsing traces stored on your device, such as open tabs, recent searches, and local history. It acts as the central hub for keeping your browser clean and organized. Once you are inside Data Clearing, find the option labeled Auto Clear. Enable this feature to allow DuckDuckGo to automatically handle the cleanup process for you. When this setting is turned on, the browser will regularly remove browsing history and close tabs based on its built-in privacy behavior, helping maintain a fresh and private experience without manual effort. After enabling Auto Clear, the browser will begin managing your session data automatically. This means your open tabs and browsing history will be cleared according to the browser's automatic rules. It is important to understand that once this data is removed, it cannot be recovered. So this feature is best suited for users who prefer consistent privacy and a clean browsing slate. And that's it. By opening DuckDuckGo, navigating to the menu, entering Settings, going to Data Clearing, and enabling Auto Clear, you effectively reset your browsing environment and keep it automatically refreshed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.